Todd, Haglund, Dynamite Signs, signwriting company. Having no idea about numbers, not understanding numbers, knowing that I was running a business and really should have a handle on this thing. Always felt it was too hard and something that I always said I didn't know, didn't enjoy, so didn't want to know. Left it to other people to know my numbers rather than me. It's been game changer, it's massive. Knowing that other people know as little about numbers as I did, learning all the time that we're all growing, we're all learning. Personally, it's huge. I now look at numbers in a different way. I want to see what the numbers are. I have greater understanding of what the numbers mean. So going forward, I know what I'm wanting to adjust, what I'm wanting to change, and what numbers will make a significant difference in my business. Everybody should be doing this. It's for me, it's just been day and night. We should be taught it in schools. It's that valuable, just knowing what numbers mean, rather than just waiting for an accountant once a year to tell you. You're knowing yourself what they mean. You can adjust things on the fly. You get instant feedback if you know what those certain numbers mean, whether it's weekly, daily, or monthly. When you're reviewing them, they tell you an important message that, as a business owner, we need to know. It will be massive. I mean, already I'm looking at numbers more often than I ever did. I want to know, I want to see those changes that I know will make significant difference in the business. So I'm just constantly reviewing them, wanting to review them, looking forward to the next boardroom where you can sit down with others and see how we're all growing and learning. But for my business alone, it will be massive, huge shift.